Welcome back to GenAI Explained Simply. Today's episode, titled Prompting for Precision Enhancing Detail in AI Outputs, focuses on crafting prompts that elicit highly detailed and precise information from AI. Whether you're engaging with text-based AI like ChatGPT or image-generating AI such as DALL-E, understanding how to request detailed outputs is key to maximizing the utility of these technologies. Let's start with the concept of granularity in prompts. Granularity involves specifying the depth and breadth of the information or creativity you want from AI. For instance, when asking an AI about climate change impacts, a general prompt might yield basic information. However, a granular prompt would look like this. Describe the specific effects of climate change on coastal ecosystems in Southeast Asia, including data from the last 5 years. This prompt ensures that the AI focuses on a precise geographic area and time frame, leading to a detailed and useful response. Next, we'll explore how to use prompts to control the structure of AI outputs. For detailed analysis or reports, structuring your prompt can significantly impact how information is presented. A prompt such as outline the main points of cybersecurity threats in 2023, categorized by type and including statistics and case studies for each category, directs AI to organize its response in a structured and digestible format, enhancing both clarity and depth. Additionally, we'll examine the role of follow-up prompts to dig deeper into topics. After an initial response, asking targeted follow-up questions based on the provided information can uncover more layers and details. For example, if the initial response about cybersecurity threats mentions phishing scams as a major category, a follow-up prompt might be provide a detailed breakdown of phishing scam techniques observed in 2023, including preventative measures adopted by major organizations. As we wrap up today's session, remember that the effectiveness of an AI's output heavily relies on how you communicate your needs through prompts. Crafting prompts that specify the desired level of detail and structure is crucial for obtaining high-quality AI-generated content. Thank you for tuning in to GenAI Explained Simply. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next episode, where we will explore using prompts to generate creative and innovative AI responses. Enhance your prompt engineering skills with us and unlock the full capabilities of AI.